So I bought this Qlife e-bike on Amazon for 450 bucks. I was looking for the cheapest e-bike because this is the first time I'm doing this, and I found some good reviews for this one. It's only 450 bucks. It's a pretty good moped style e-bike. They were supposed to deliver it in 2 weeks, but they delivered it like a week early, which was amazing. I've read good reviews about this. This is the first time I'm making a video like this, and I just wanted to see how this comes out. Based on the reviews, people who assembled this, they said it took them 30 to 45 minutes. I'm thinking they are probably much more advanced in doing these kind of things. This is the first time I'm doing it, so it might take me a little bit longer, but it'll be a fun experience, and looking forward to it. So let's open this thing up and see what's in there. Interestingly, in the description, this was supposed to be metal, but this turns out it's plastic, which doesn't really matter, I guess, that much. But some people like metal. I don't care. I don't know what is better, which one is better, but that's okay. So we'll just take it from here. Let's start cutting this thing up. Looks like the battery charger. Okay, this is the instructions, tools. Oh, nice. Pump, I guess. And pedals. Headlight and all that stuff. So we'll come to that in a little bit. To take this out first. This disc brake has to go in the brake calipers. So I don't know if it's supposed to make this noise, but it is making a noise. Looks like all the mechanical assembly is done. I think in the instructions they don't show it, but there's definitely people helping, because some of these things you can't just do it by yourself. But it wasn't that bad, to be very honest. So now let's hook up the odometer. Looks like we need a Phillips screwdriver to make this tight, which was not provided. Maybe Yeah, is this reversible? Yes, it is. Take it back. All right. Okay, now we have the two pedals. It says left and right. There are the keys. Comes with two keys. So this should unlock. So you just have to give it a little bit of push at the bottom and the thing comes out. And I think I need to charge this before installing. It's interesting. You see, this looks like it's a little bit of a damage here. Charging the battery should be pretty simple. I'm just going to plug it in. I guess when it's fully charged, it's going to turn green. So we'll come back in a few hours. Yep, fully charged. Let's put the battery in. It should slide in easily. I'm supposed to keep it pushed. Yes, nice. So there you have it. The assembly is complete. Everything seems to be working fine. This was a video to show you how to assemble. It took me definitely more than 30 to 45 minutes, as it's been claimed in most of the videos that it should take to assemble this. It took me, I would say, maybe hour and a half, 2 hours if I combine all the time that I was working on this. I took it very easy. I did a few things here and there, and then, you know, so overall, can it be done in 30 to 45 minutes? I think so. If you arrange everything together and you dedicate your time to just doing this, it should be pretty easy. I mean, it comes mostly assembled. It's very little stuff that you have to do. So 30 to 45 minutes should not be a problem. The battery needed to be charged. I didn't want to leave it overnight in the garage to charge because I'm always afraid of these batteries exploding. Too many stories I've heard. So I wanted to do it while I was, you know, alert and watching it. So I put it on charge this morning, and it fully. So interesting thing is the battery came with zero charge. There's no power in the battery at all, which is very surprising. Usually I think these batteries come at least 50% charged or some charge on it. So I'm thinking maybe this was sitting in their warehouse for some time and then it got discharged. But regardless, hopefully that does not cause the battery to deteriorate faster. We'll find out. I am concerned about the battery. As I shared, there was a scuff mark on the battery when I took it, took the cover out. I think it may be just superficial, just a dent outside, may not, hopefully does not impact the battery. We'll find out, as I'll do more reviews on this when I ride it. Couple other things. I talked about the battery. Oh, the mud guards. The mud guards were supposed to be metal. Based on all the reviews that I've seen, the mud guard is supposed to be metal, but this is definitely not metal. These are plastic. So a little bit of a description challenge there, I think. they should express it very clearly. Maybe there is a fine print somewhere. I didn't read it, but I'm going off of the videos and everything that was shared online on the site, Amazon site. So again, that's one of the challenge. I think other than that, the front wheel, I feel when I'm spinning it, the brake disc is touching the brake calipers, even when the brake lever is not pressed, which is very annoying. And I hope I don't hear it when I'm riding on the street. I don't know. We will find out. That'll be very annoying. And I think it was probably going to, the calipers will actually deteriorate much faster because of that. Why is it doing it? It shouldn't do it. It should only touch the calipers when the brake is pressed. I don't know. I'm not an expert on this. Maybe in the comments you can let me know if you think otherwise. But I think that's a problem. Hopefully it's not very noticeable when I'm riding it on the street. But if it is, I'll let you guys know. Wanted to make this video just to show the assembly of it. I am going to actually make other videos after I use this for a while, and show how it performs compared to the claims and the other videos. I'm doing it just for fun. This is not my profession. This is the first time I'm making a video like this. And the whole, I wanted to just give an honest opinion on something that, I think for $450, it's a pretty good bike. And, it's good quality. It looks pretty sturdy. Now, is it gonna last, for a long time? If it dies after 6 months, then $450 is a lot of money. If it lasts for a couple of years, maybe it's not. I don't know. I mean, that's it'll be interesting to see how it performs. I'm not doing this for money. This is the first time, like I said, I'm making this video. I know there are a lot of videos out there which are kind of paid content. I want to make sure that I do a very honest, up-to-date opinion. As a matter of fact, the manufacturer has a $10 Amazon gift if I give a 5-star review. Now, I'm not going to give a 5-star review for $10. The reality is, I don't think this is a 5-star. For me, 5-star should be like excellent, everything perfect, and everything is not perfect, as I mentioned, right? Now, maybe I'll change my mind as I ride it a little bit more, but right now I'm thinking it is definitely a 4-star. It's a good quality bike for the price. The assembly was pretty easy. Same things seems to be working on the street. We'll find out if there are other challenges. And I'll do more videos of the performance and anything that I find on this. Hope this is very informative for you. I'm just doing it for fun. Let me know in your comments if you like this video, or if you think that I should do something differently. Just for fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this is informative, and looking forward to see you guys again. Thank you.